Is your Ninja Espresso taking forever to brew? Slow drips, weak flow, or pauses during brewing? Let's fix it. Here's what to check first. Step 1. Check for a clogged pod or coffee basket. Remove your pod or ground coffee basket and rinse it thoroughly. Old coffee oils and debris can block the flow. Step 2. Clean the needle or brew head area. Puncture needles can get clogged, especially with pods. Use a small brush, toothpick, or cleaning pin to clear out buildup. Step 3. Descale the machine. Mineral buildup is a common cause of slow brewing. If it's been more than a month, run a cleaning cycle using descaler and follow with 2 rinse cycles. Step 4. Check your grind size for ground coffee. Too fine and it slows down water flow. Use a medium-fine espresso grind, not too powdery. Step 5. Don't overpack the basket. Too much ground coffee or pressing too hard can restrict flow. Stick to the recommended fill line and tamp gently if needed. Still running slow after all that? It could be a pressure sensor issue or internal clog. Support link is in the description if needed. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.